The HTC Wildfire X is a great phone with a good price range. The HTC Wildfire X comes with a big 6.2 inches IPS LCD display and a resolution of 720 x 1520 pixels. With an aspect ratio of 19:9, you can enjoy a vivid and lifelike viewing experience in this phone. The seamless premium design will catch your eyes and flaunt this sleek and lightweight device at any event and be ready to get noticed for all the right reasons. The smooth curves and 3D OPVD mirror finish help accentuate its look further. Also, when light strikes the back cover of this phone, the unique hyper-optical patterns tend to glitter, letting your personality shine. The phone weighs around 160 grams. There are only sapphire blue color options available in the market right now. The HTC Wildfire X has installed a octa-core 2.0 GHz MediaTek MT6762 Helio P22 processor with PowerVR GE8320 GPU integrated. As for its performance, the phone is designed for gaming and multitasking purpose. The phone has two onboard storage options, 3GB RAM with 32GB internal memory and 4GB RAM with 128GB internal memory. The phone supports an expansion of memory up to 256GB via a micro SD card. The HTC Wildfire X runs on latest Android 9 Pie operating system. The HTC Wildfire X smartphone comes with a dual SIM options. It also supports 4G LTE network. As for the other features, the phone has a fingerprint sensor, face unlock, Bluetooth 4.1, Wi-Fi and 3.5mm headphone jack. This phone houses a triple rear camera setup that includes a 12MP main lens, 8MP zoom lens and a 5MP depth sensor lens. It features 2x lossless optical zoom and 8x hybrid zoom, so you can capture the intricate details of a piece of jewelry. Also, thanks to the dual tone flash for taking beautiful photo in any light condition. The front side has 8MP camera that allows you to take a great selfie. The phone is powered by 3300 mAh non-removable battery with advanced 10W fast charge technology to power up quickly. This phone easily provides 1-day battery backup for normal users. The phone is now available in various online platforms. If you want to know the more detailed information about specs and price, please check the link in the description below. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel and let me know your feedback in the comments below.